Hi everyone, we've just finished another fantastic workshop here at the Education Centre for Essential Beauty here in Wellington. Just wanted to put a little post out to remind you what the workshops are, even though you may have been in the industry for quite some time, what you can actually gain from doing one of the workshops and improving your skill set. So anything from improving your treatment times, your delivery, and for me the passion is really behind the treatment on the skin and making sure that the skin is prepared and looked after during the course of the treatment. So we're going to revisit some stuff that you may not have done since college, just to really draw you back into the effects of waxing on the skin and making sure that your clients have a wonderful treatment while they're here in the room with you, but also that the longevity of that wax, whichever part of the body it is, that they get the most from the after part of the treatment. So come along and do one of the workshops. They're very cost effective. The dates for the courses will be attached to this post. Get in touch with our office and come and improve your waxing.